Are you looking for the perfect budget-friendly Taco Tuesday meal? Then you have come to the right channel. We gathered most of our main ingredients from a local Dollar Tree store. The first item was a box of hard taco shells. Our next ingredients we had purchased was a packet of taco seasoning and a packet of Spanish rice. Next, we grabbed a can of Rotel and a can of queso. This dinner had also required a packet of soft tortillas, a can of refried beans, and a can of Cuban-style whole beans. Next, we went over to the meat section for a packet of ground beef. And then we went to the dairy section to grab a packet of Mexican-style shredded cheese. We also grabbed a bag full of assorted frozen vegetables. For the kiddos, we grabbed 2 Mexican-style popsicles. For the adults, we grab a bottle of Mexican-style pineapple soda along with mango juice to make a fun margarita. Next, we grab lime juice for flavoring. To finish shopping, we grab a bag of chips and 2 margarita glasses for our adult beverages. Now we were ready to cook. We started by peeling and dicing an onion like so. Then we did the same to the tomatoes. We also prepared the lettuce for dinner later as well. All the produce had been purchased from a local vendor nearby. Next, we heated up oil in a skillet on medium till the pan was hot. We then added 1 soft tortilla to the pan to start making the homemade tostada shells. We flipped both sides until the desired color, which is usually a light brown, not black, like so. As we were making the crunchy tostada shells, we placed each complete tortilla onto a plate covered with a paper towel and we placed it to the side to cool. Next, we prepared the pan for the bag of frozen vegetables and seasoned them with salt and pepper while stirring until cooked. The next step was to prepare and cook the meat. We also added a little bit of water so the seasoning could spread like so. We made sure to cook the meat to a consumable safe temperature. Next was the queso. Once we prepared the pot on low to medium heat, we added queso and half a can of Rotel together until desired consistency. For the Cuban-style whole beans, we prepared the pot to medium to low heat and added the rest of the Rotel can. We then stirred all the ingredients together and then added a splash of lime juice. Once the Cuban beans were done, we prepared the pot for the refried beans and then put the whole beans to the side for later use. Next, we preheated the oven as directed on the box of the hard tacos and took them out after they were done. We then finished preparing the refried beans with some lime juice and taco seasoning. After the refried beans were done, we set aside and prepared the pot for the Spanish rice. Once completed, we started the process of putting the dinner together. The first item on the plate was the homemade tostada. We then spread the refried beans evenly onto the homemade tostada shell. Next, we added the vegetables on top of the beans. We also added the queso mix on top of the vegetables. Then, we added the shredded Mexican cheese on top of the tostada. On the side of the plate, we added the Cuban-style beans. We then paired the beans with a side of Spanish rice. Next, we stuffed the hard taco shells with meat, diced tomatoes, diced onions, and lettuce. We then completed the meal with more shredded cheese on all the items. For the adults, we started building our margaritas. We grabbed our shaker with ice and filled it with tequila, mango juice, and a splash of lime juice. After, we shook the shaker with our ingredients inside till cold. We then rimmed the glass with salt using a splash of tequila on the plate. To finish the margarita, we then added some Mexican-style pineapple soda to the cocktail to complete the drink. That finished our budget-friendly Dollar Tree Taco Tuesday-inspired meal. Let us know in the comments what you think. Also, please remember to hit like and subscribe for more content from Life Ninjas 303. Happy Taco Tuesday, everyone!